Frequently, a generator set installation is an important element within a facility that is being monitored and controlled from a central location. Generator systems within a facility subject to remote monitoring have to be equipped with a generator remote monitoring system. A generator system includes numerous control functions and sensors to detect a variety of criteria essential to providing the operational status of the system. Detecting issues before a failure occurs enables more continued reliability. Sensors linked to remote signaling include, but are not limited to, whether the set or utility is supplying the load with the required voltage and amperage outputs, hours the system has to run before its next service interval, and generator sensors for many conditions such as oil pressure, coolant temperature, fuel levels, engine speed, and oil level. A technician working on the generator system is provided with visual and audible alarms to alert them of the system status and any parameters that are outside acceptable limits. Frequently, however, generator systems are not constantly attended due to the remote location of the installation, or it is not practical or economical to have constant monitoring by an on-site technician. In many cases, the generator may be one of many in an extensive network. For these types of installations, remote monitoring is the most practical and economical solution. To facilitate remote monitoring and operation, the generator controls are equipped with a remote annunciator panel. Constant monitoring of the status of a standby generator system is very important, especially for critical life and economic installations. The National Fire Protection Association codes NFPA 99 and 110 specify generator fault sensing controls for shutdown and warning due to overcrank, high engine temperature, low oil pressure, overspeed, emergency stop, low fuel, low coolant level, low coolant temperature, low cranking voltage, battery voltage high or low, battery charger failure, and common fault. The annunciator will also monitor EPS supplying load, not in auto, system ready, generator running, and communication status. The module can either be hardwired through the communications module to the operator's computer or connected by a wireless link. For remote monitoring, the remote annunciator in the generator controls has to be connected to a communication interface module either by a hardwired system or through a wireless system. The remote monitoring can be hardwired through a network with a communications interface module connected through a modem to the computer screen. But frequently, the remote monitoring system is transmitted by a wireless network and modem. Remote monitoring gives technicians the ability to view the status of a single generator set or a complete network of generator systems and warns them of any existing or potential faults. It also ensures that when the service technician goes to the generator location, they're fully equipped and prepared for the issue requiring attention. One other aspect of remote monitoring is the use of GPS tracking devices installed in portable rental generator sets, such as rental fleets. Many times a set stolen from a construction site is found through a GPS device. Today's generator set manufacturers can satisfy almost any customer requirement in terms of monitoring the status of their generator sets. Latest advances in digital electronic technology and mobile devices have all contributed to systems that can now provide generator operators with an unlimited array of reliable remote monitoring systems. Consult with a reputable distributor of power systems to assist you in selecting the remote monitoring system that best fits your application and installation.